In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Google Photos to laptop. There are two simple ways to move your photos from Google Photos onto your laptop, and which one you choose really depends on whether you want just a few pictures or your entire photo library. The first method is best if you only want selected images. Start by opening Google Photos in your browser and signing into your Google account if needed. Once you're in, browse through your library and find the photos you want to transfer. This approach is quick and convenient when you only need a handful of images rather than everything at once. Next, select the images you want to save to your laptop. After selecting them, go to the three-dot menu and click Download. Google Photos will then prepare those files for download. Depending on how many images you selected, this may happen instantly or take a few moments. Once the download finishes, the files will usually appear in your laptop's default downloads folder unless your browser asks you where to save them. If you want to keep things organized, it's a good idea to move them into a separate folder afterward. The second method is better if you want to transfer a larger collection or your full Google Photos library. For that, open Google Takeout. This is Google's built-in export tool that lets you download data from different Google services. When the page opens, click Deselect All. This is helpful because it clears every service first so you can export only your photos instead of downloading unnecessary data. After that, scroll down through the list until you find Google Photos, then check the box next to it. This tells Google Takeout that the only data you want included in the export is your photo library. Be sure to scroll carefully since the list can be quite long. Once Google Photos is selected, scroll down again until you see the Next Step button and click it. This takes you to the Export Settings page where Google prepares the download process for your selected data. Finally, create the export. Google will begin preparing your files, and when everything is ready, you'll receive an email with a download link for your photos. If your library is large, the export can take some time, so don't worry if it isn't available immediately. When the email arrives, open the link and download the files to your laptop, and that's it. If you only need a few photos, use the direct download method in Google Photos. If you want everything, Google Takeout is the better option.